Let's talk about the number one nutrient that becomes increasingly important as you enter your 50s and beyond. As you age, you might start noticing changes in your body, more aches and pains, especially in your bones and joints. Your immune system might not be as robust, leaving you vulnerable to illnesses, particularly during the winter months. And as the years go by, your skin may lose some of its natural collagen and elasticity. You might also find yourself feeling the cold more or struggling to maintain the mental focus you once had. In one of my previous videos, I discussed the top 5 nutritional supplements recommended for individuals over 50. However, if you had to choose just one supplement to combat the effects of aging, there's one that stands out above the rest: extra virgin cod liver oil. In today's video, we'll delve into why this particular supplement is so beneficial. Before we dive in, a quick reminder: this video is for educational purposes only. If you have any medical conditions, it's essential to consult with your doctor before making any dietary changes. So, what exactly is cod liver oil? It's a nutrient-rich liquid derived from gently steamed and extracted cod livers. Often referred to as an elixir of life, it contains concentrated amounts of natural vitamin D, vitamin A in its active form known as retinol, and omega-3 fatty acids. Now, let's explore why these components are crucial. First, let's talk about vitamin D. Cod liver oil contains the active form of vitamin D, called D3, which plays a pivotal role in maintaining overall health. It positively impacts various bodily tissues and organs, including the brain. Getting more vitamin D through cod liver oil or sunlight exposure can improve sleep quality, reduce anxiety, depression, and mood swings, and enhance communication between brain cells, reducing the risk of age-related dementia. Furthermore, vitamin D helps prevent fragile bones and muscle weakness as you age by aiding calcium absorption in the small intestine. It also bolsters your white blood cells, fortifying your body's defense against viruses and pathogens. Next, let's move on to omega-3 fatty acids, another critical component of virgin cod liver oil. Omega-3s have been extensively studied and are known to reduce inflammation and act as natural pain relievers, particularly beneficial for bone and joint discomfort. They also support the synovial fluid in your joints, keeping them lubricated as you age. The primary active omega-3 in cod liver oil, DHA, contributes to tissue repair, safeguards mitochondrial DNA to lower cancer risks, boosts energy levels, and plays a significant role in brain and nervous system development. Sadly, one of the leading causes of death among individuals over 50 is heart disease. However, the omega-3s found in cod liver oil help maintain the elasticity of arteries and blood vessels, reducing the risk of heart attacks, blood clots, and strokes. Cod liver oil also boasts vitamin A in its active retinol form. It's essential to note that the active form of vitamin A is found exclusively in animal-based foods. The plant-based version, known as beta-carotene, doesn't convert as effectively in the body. Cod liver oil, being an excellent source of retinol, can help reduce the risk of age-related eye issues like macular degeneration, cataracts, and dry eyes. In tandem, vitamin A, vitamin D, and omega-3s from cod liver oil work wonders for maintaining youthful-looking skin. They reduce inflammation and support the turnover of skin cells, preserving that natural glow while mitigating collagen loss that typically occurs with age. Additionally, vitamin A supports the production of thyroid-stimulating hormone, helping regulate body temperature and preventing the increased cold sensitivity that often comes with aging. It also supports the inner lining of the digestive system, alleviating issues like indigestion and constipation. Now, when it comes to choosing cod liver oil, it's essential to be discerning. Most cod liver oil supplements available in stores are highly processed and pasteurized at high temperatures, which can compromise their delicate, essential nutrients. Some even contain synthetic vitamin A. These supplements, unfortunately, provide little to no real benefit. To reap the full advantages, opt for high-quality extra virgin cod liver oil that has been gently processed and remains unrefined. While these might come with a higher price tag, it's an investment in quality that pays off. For those interested in starting this supplementation journey, I recommend choosing Nordic or Icelandic virgin cod liver oil. How much cod liver oil should you take daily? It's recommended to consume 1 to 2 teaspoons of high-quality virgin cod liver oil daily, especially once you've crossed the 50-year mark. Ensure that the product you choose is wild, raw, virgin, and unprocessed. Some brands also add a touch of rosemary extract as a preservative, improving both freshness and taste. Alternatively, you can opt for small gel capsules. However, they tend to be pricier, and you'd need several of them to meet the equivalent dosage of 1 to 2 teaspoons. Beware of over-the-counter, cheap cod liver oil capsules, as they often contain synthetic vitamin A, which can be harmful to your liver. After incorporating this potent nutritional liquid into your routine for just 1 to 2 weeks, you may start noticing positive changes in your overall health. Your skin may regain its natural, youthful glow, and you might experience fewer aches and pains. Benefits we've discussed throughout this video. Now, if obtaining high-quality virgin cod liver oil proves challenging, consider using alternatives like Antarctic krill oil or fish oils. Antarctic krill oil, for instance, is a sustainable red liquid derived from krill and offers not only omega-3s but also a powerful antioxidant called astaxanthin, known to be highly effective in combating free radicals and reducing inflammation, making it an excellent choice for those aged 50 and beyond. There's no harm in combining cod liver oil with krill oil capsules daily to maximize the intake of these anti-aging nutrients. If you're on a budget and seeking more affordable options, you might consider incorporating canned sardines in water with sea salt into your daily diet. Ensure you select brands that avoid oils or tomato sauce, as these often indicate lower quality. Canned sardines provide an excellent source of omega-3 fats, vitamin A, and vitamin D, similar benefits to cod liver oil. They also offer added calcium, supporting bone health, teeth strength, and energy metabolism. Lastly, if you're interested in other anti-aging foods, I've discussed several in previous videos, such as blueberries rich in resveratrol, eggs packed with essential amino acids for muscle strength, beef liver with similarities to cod liver oil, and mushrooms, which contain ergothioneine, a potent anti-aging nutrient. In conclusion, as you journey into your 50s and beyond, it's vital to prioritize your health. While cod liver oil is a standout choice for its numerous benefits, there are alternative options to consider. Ultimately, the key is to nourish your body with essential nutrients to help you lead a vibrant, healthy life. Thank you for tuning in to today's video and for your continued support. Here's to wishing you excellent health, prosperity, and happiness in your journey through life.